If you spend more than 5 minutes trying to research how to start a tech career, you probably found out that you need some certifications. Then it brought up another question. What certification should I get first? Should I get A plus, Network plus, or Security plus? In this quick video, I'm going to tell you which certification you should start with first and why. The first certification you should get is A plus. Stick around to the end of the video to find out why. By taking the certification we're going to talk about in this video in the wrong order, you're going to do two things: waste time and waste money. You can't get no more time, and money may be hard to come by if you're not in tech, if you don't got certifications, if you have, a job that you hate. So we don't want to waste either one of those things. It's real simple how this works. Each certification builds on the last one. So if you don't know any of the stuff that was in the last certification, the next certification is going to be that much more difficult. Now let's actually dive into the roadmap that you need to follow. Take A plus first, and then we're going to talk about the steps that you need to take after that. How long of a timeline, the full roadmap to get you to certification success. Before we go any further, you're probably thinking, who the hell is this guy? I'm Rob from Master IT at ITMasterKey.com, a former U.S. Army Staff Sergeant that helps people just like you pass tech certifications and get the skills needed. I got a bunch of certifications, 12 to be exact, all of the ones we're talking about in this. I've helped 15,000 students pass tech certifications and get skills. And right now, I'm helping people like you, like I said, do what they need to do. Let's get back to the video. So even though A plus is the first certification, that doesn't mean that it's the easiest. A lot of times it's the most difficult because people that take A plus have zero knowledge, zero experience, and it's their first time and maybe even a long time since they've ever studied for anything or took any certification. Another thing that makes A plus a little bit more difficult is because it's a two-part exam, right? So you have to pass two 90-question exams to be fully A plus certified. So you're probably thinking, Rob, if it's hard as hell, why are we starting there? The reason that we starting there is because A plus gives you some fundamental knowledge, some stuff that you have to build upon to really have a successful certification career and actually be successful in interviews, be successful in jobs, be successful long term. If you don't have a really good foundation, then you're going to crumble. For example, it's this guy named Tim Duncan, probably the most boring basketball player you ever seen. His nickname is Mr. Fundamental, right? Mr. Fundamental. He stayed in the league, I want to say 20 years or just a long time, won a bunch of rings. And the reason was because he did the fundamentals to a T. May not be too exciting, may not be a bunch of highlights, but he's going to win games, right? Because he had a super strong foundation. He never forgot the fundamentals. And a lot of times, if you try and go too far, too fast without the fundamentals, you end up running into a wall. Taking Security Plus, for example, which is at the end of our roadmap, is like having a baby, and as soon as it comes out the womb, anybody got kids out there, having a baby, as soon as it comes out the womb, is running full sprints, which would be absolutely terrifying, but it would be able to run full speed, but it would probably, every time it tried to walk, it would probably fall over, tumble, wouldn't ought to crawl. Legs aren't even fully developed, right? You got to think about that part too. Imagine a baby straight out the damn womb trying run like Usain Bolt. It ain't gonna work out good, right? Their legs aren't even, capable. The muscles and the muscle memory hasn't built up yet, right? So you want to make sure that you do that first. Now, will Security Plus get you a lot of opportunities? Will Security Plus get you to the bag? Yes, but only if you have a strong foundation, right? Because the expectations, right? A lot of people on YouTube, a lot of people on TikTok are going to tell you just get Security Plus. What they won't tell you is the level of expectations that people have for people to have Security Plus. That's what people don't forget. Okay, you pass the exam, right? You pass the exam, but can you actually do the things that's inside the Security Plus exam, right? And then a lot of times, when you go into the job, guess what they're going to be asking? Fundamental and foundational stuff. Because if you don't know this stuff, then we know you don't know the Security Plus stuff, right? So just make sure that you have that in mind. Now, is it going to take a long time? No. It should take you about 30 days to pass A+. If you do what you need to do, take a month out of your life, pass the damn exam. Another thing is this. When it comes to certifications, be wary, be careful who you listen to. Don't listen to anybody that's been taught, that say that they've been studying for A+ for 4 to 6 months. They're just studying the wrong shit, they're lazy, or they're lying, right? It should not take you that long, right? Now, the A+ is not easy, but it's damn sure doable in 30 days with wife, kids, husband, job, hobbies, all that. you can still pass A plus, right? Next, we're going to talk about Network Plus. Now, Network Plus is a specific certification, right? So it's going to be talking about networking, routers, switches, the internet. So if you don't know, the internet is just a big network, right? So it's a bunch of different networks that are connected to each other. Network Plus is going to create that bridge in between A plus and Security plus. So networking is super important. I'm saying the certifications in this video because I believe that you need all of these things to really get a really good skill set and to, future proof yourself and just to make sure that you're good no matter what the climate is, no matter what's going on, no matter what comes out. You have a skill set that's going to make sure that you're good no matter what. And this really ties into A plus, right? So it builds on the things you learn at A plus because A plus is a myriad of a little bit of everything. And then this is super focused on networking. It's going to help you, like I said, not only with A plus, not only on the job, but it's also going to help you with security, right? So cybersecurity, you have to have a really good understanding of the fundamentals and the foundations of networking to really be good at cybersecurity. You can think of Network Plus and networking just as like the highways, the roads of the internet, the roads of everything that you do digitally, right? You have to know how things connect, how to troubleshoot. It's just pivotal that you know about networking. No matter where you want to end up at, you need to know about networking. Last but definitely not least is Security Plus. Security Plus is going to most likely get you the most money and get you a lot of opportunities in cybersecurity. But do not start with Security Plus. Do not start with Security Plus, no matter what nobody says, no matter what you think, because most likely you're not going to have the fundamentals that you would learn in A plus, that networking core that is pivotal and essential and damn near mandatory to be good in cybersecurity. And most likely you're going to fucking fail. Okay. That's the main thing, right? A lot of y'all are fragile. A lot of y'all, haven't been through tough things in your life, or if tough things happen to you, you give the hell up. So I'm trying to make sure that you don't fail, right? Because if you start your certification journey with cybersecurity and Security Plus, you're going to probably fail because there are going to be things on Security Plus that you've never heard of. Because remember, on Security Plus, they're going to expect you to already know all the stuff that's on A Plus and all the stuff that's on Network Plus. So do not set yourself up for failure. Start with A Plus. And once you get Security Plus, all the opportunities that's coming from A plus, all the opportunities coming from Network Plus, you're going to have those plus all the stuff that's coming from networking. And it'll also give you all the opportunities coming from Security Plus. Plus, it's going to give you that flexibility, and it's going to give you so many different options where you won't be, pigeonholed or put in a box. You can do whatever you want to. Now, you heard what I think. Now I want to hear what you think. Would you follow this same roadmap? Would you get A plus first, or are you going to just be a dummy and get Security Plus first, or what is your plan? Drop it in the comments. What do you think? I told you what I think. Now I want to know, what do you think? Now, one thing I want to say in general, right? If you decide to start with A plus, decide to start somewhere else, so on and so forth, I want to tell you about the people who are successful with certifications in general. People who are not looking for a shortcut. They genuinely want to learn the information. They want to gain a skill set, and they fully understand what it's going to take to actually pass these certifications, right? Now, I'm saying, you pass in 30 days, or you pass in 60 days. It's going to take a lot of hard work in that small amount of time to really make it happen. Also, the people that are successful with certifications understand that it's an investment. Like, I'm getting a certification, invest in training. I'm going to invest in taking a test because I know what it's going to do for me. And another thing, people that are successful with certifications know that just passing certification, that's not the end. You have to continue to learn, continue to gain skills, and continue to level up. Remember, this is sponsored by Master IT, a program where you don't need a degree. All you need is us. And also, all active duty soldiers train for free. Nothing out of pocket. You get A plus, Net plus, Security plus, all for free. All that information is down below in the description. Other than that, I'll see you in class.